Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best hair dryer. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a hair dryer that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these hair dryer, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At number 1 we have the Panasonic ANA65K Nano Dryer. Panasonic Nano hair dryer is shown to reduce damage caused by everyday brushing and enhance hair's smoothness and shine. Panasonic Nano technology draws moisture from the air to gently infuse 1000x more moisture particles into hair than typical ion hair dryers style while you dry with 3 pro-quality Panasonic Nano attachments. A dual airflow quick dry nozzle is designed to dry hair faster, a concentrator nozzle provides focused airflow for precise styling, a full-size diffuser adds volume while combating frizz. Panasonic hair dryer provides 2 speeds, 3 temperature settings for different styles and drying times, plus hot, warm and cool settings for different hair types. The hair dryer Panasonic also features 1875 watt power, cool shot button, removable easy clean filter and professional length 9-foot rotating power cord with convenient hanging loop. At number 2 we have the Rusk Engineering CTC Lite 1900 watt dryer. Rusk CTC Lite is lightweight and ergonomically designed, which means your wrist and arm won't get tired holding it. This 1900 watt model is infused with ceramic and titanium, which makes it perfect for any hair type, curly, straight, wavy or something in between. With 7 heat and speed settings, you have full control for precise styling. In our analysis of expert reviews, the Rusk CTC Lite placed 4th when we looked at the top 10 products in the category. At number 3 we have the Remington D3190 Damage Protection Hair Dryer. This Remington hair dryer has worked for a lot of users in terms of controlling frizz and flyaways. The technologies built into the unit can reduce drying time and lessen damage to the hair. While it is a ceramic ionic tourmaline hair dryer, the Remington D3190A is still very much affordable. It costs you no more than $30 at the time of this review, compared to nearly $100 for a professional hair dryer like the Rusk Speed Freak, which also claimed to speed up drying time. Diffuser included, this is a bonus for those with curly and wavy hair. Most hair dryers will give you a concentrator to channel airflow to a smaller section of the hair. But not many will include a diffuser unless you are buying a hair dryer specifically designed for people with curly hair like the DivaCurl dryer. The buyer reviews on various retailers' websites have very few complaints about the noise this hair dryer makes. Most find it not too noisy. Some even find it to be on the quiet side. The bottom line is the noise level of this Remington Damage Protection hair dryer is on the low end and would be acceptable to the majority of users. At number 4 we have the BaByliss Pro Ceramics Extreme Dryer. Head out looking you just stepped out of a salon every morning with the help of the BaByliss Pro Ceramics Extreme Hair Dryer. This model can get the job done in half the time as the typical dryer. This 2000 watt hair dryer is high-powered and built to meet strict standards and expectations. It features ceramic technology to produce extra gentle, even, infrared heat that helps protect your hair from damage. Depending on the style you want to have for the day, you can count on the BaByliss Pro Ceramics Extreme Hair Dryer to deliver. It has a professional AC motor and an extra high wattage for a superb performance each time. With 4 temperature settings and an 8mm concentrator nozzle, this dryer can practically do it all. This 2000 watt hair dryer comes in a stylish black color. At number 5 we have the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer Iron. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage, with fastest drying and controlled styling to help increase smoothness by 75%, increase shine by up to 132% and decrease frizz and flyaways by up to 61%. The wide, thin design of the styling concentrator creates a high-velocity blade of air that's perfect for styling. And because the air is focused, you can style one section at a time, without disturbing the rest. Engineered to disperse air evenly around your curls, the diffuser simulates natural drying, helping to reduce frizz and define curls and waves. Long prongs allow you to style hair with control, and reach deep into the hair. Smoothing nozzle. Dry and style your hair at the same time with gentle, low-velocity airflow. Engineered for curly and textured hair, the new wide-tooth comb attachment has robust teeth to help lengthen hair as it dries, or create volume and shape.